Diversity in India. Diversity in our country exists in the form of culture, traditions, caste, community, region, religion, language, festivals, etc. There are more than 200 languages spoken in our country. India is home to many religions: Hinduism, Islam, Sikhism, Christianity, Buddhism, Jainism, etc. Diversity in society. Caste system. Caste system in India is based on religious belief that Lord Brahma gave birth to Brahmins from head, Kshatriyas from shoulders, Vaishyas from stomach, and Shudras from the feet. People born into a certain caste could not leave it. They have to get married within their caste only. Diversity in language. Our constitution recognizes 22 languages, which are Assamese, Dongri, Gujarati, Hindi, Malayalam, Telugu, Tamil, Kannada, Marathi, Bengali, Odia, Punjabi, Sindhi, Sanskrit, Santhali, Kashmiri, Konkani, Maithili, Bodo, Nepali, and Urdu. Diversity in economic field. Economic activities can be classified into 3 types. Primary activities. People of equal areas engaged in these activities, such as farming, fishing, mining, etc. Secondary activities. People of urban areas engaged in production of manufacturing goods from primary products such as weaving, carpentry, etc. Tertiary activities. People engaged in these activities do not produce any tangible goods. They provide banking, teaching, transport, and other communication facilities. Diversity in culture and religion. Hinduism, Islam, Buddhism, Sikhism, Jainism, Christianity, and Zoroastrianism are the different religions of this country. Different dance forms are enjoyed across the nation. Festivals. National festivals such as Republic Day, Independence Day, Gandhi Jayanti, and religious festivals like Holi, Janmashtami, Raksha Bandhan, Dashehra, Diwali, Eid, Christmas are celebrated throughout India. Other festivals such as Baisakhi, Basant Panchami, Pongal, Onam, Guru Parv and Bihu are celebrated in some parts of India. Dance and music. The classical dance Bharatnatyam is popular in Tamil Nadu, Kathakali in Kerala, Kathak in North India, Kuchipudi in Andhra Pradesh, Manipuri in Manipur, and Odissi in Odisha. The art of folk theatre, where stories are narrated through dance and drama, is also prominent. India has 2 main schools of classical music. The North Indian school is called Hindustani, and the South Indian school is called Carnatic. Food. Every state in India has its own speciality, which is cherished across the country. Clothes. Bengal is rich in Bengali sari. In Rajasthan, Ghagra Kachali is famous. The Haryanvis wear Ghagra Kurta and an Odhni. The long kurta worn by Kashmiris in Kashmir is Firan, whereas Tamil Nadu is famous for Veshti, Kerala for Mundu. Even the style of tying the turban differs from state to state. Factors promoting unity of India. India is identified by its mountain Himalayas in northeast, Bay of Bengal in east, Arabian Sea in west, and in Indian Ocean in the south. The rivers in the country also keep the people united. Freedom movement brought the people of India together to fight against the rule of British, and the slogans, the signs and the songs connected people together and made them believe in the unity. The national song, the national bird, and the national animals under our constitution unite the people. The festivals of all the religions in the country are celebrated by all people with the same enthusiasm as theirs. Rural and urban societies. Rural society. People who live in villages are called rural people. They practice primary occupations such as dairy farming and fishing, etc., other than cultivation. Some features of rural society are: the people in rural society have homogeneity and enjoy similar social status. Their culture is deep-rooted. Family plays a vital role, and there is no division of labor. It does not give due and proper respect to the women folk. Urban society. Urban society is heterogeneous because urban people come from many different parts of India. Life in the urban society is complex. Some features of urban society are: people do not enjoy the same social status due to diversity in caste, creeds, etc. Hold of families is not strong. Women enjoy high social status. Pure culture is hard to find.